Have you got tired because of searching hosting and domain name for your business? This video is for you. Here we can see how to buy hosting and domain name to make your website live. Search SeekaHost in your browser. Here choose your services and select web hosting. Press get started and choose your package and click on select. Here register your new domain or enter your own domain name. I am going to register new domain name. Enter your domain name and choose your TLD and click check. If it is available, click on continue option. In next step, choose your billing cycle and click on continue. If you are selected WordPress hosting, you can install your WordPress here, enter blog title and admin password and click continue. In the next step, enable DNS management option in domain configuration page and click continue. In review and checkout page, cross verify your order. Here enter your personal information and billing details and scroll down and choose your billing method. Once your billing is started, click on continue. If you are existing customer, enter your login access and click on login option. After clicking checkout, it will be redirected to your payment page. Here choose your payment method and process your payment. Once your payment is done, your order will be placed successfully. After placing a successful order, your domain will become live within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to follow our page for upcoming videos. Thank you.